Hello everyone, I'm Teresa Gantonga. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for subscribing. And those who haven't subscribed, please do so. I'll be taking you through the smart home implementation using Packet Tracer version 8. So in my smart home, I have 4 sensors. I have the fire monitor, which detects fire, the motion sensor, which detects motion in the house, the sound sensor, the camera, and I have this temperature monitor, which is monitoring the ambient temperature in my house. And I also have the actuators, the window, the coffee maker, the light bulb, the door, the LCD, the alarm, and the fire sprinkler. Not forgetting the fan. I have these 2 things, the fire and the speaker. The fire will be used for demo of fire monitor, and the speaker will be used for the demo of sound sensor. So they'll be acting like our inputs in these 2 scenarios. So these devices are connected to the gateway, which are then monitored remotely on this smartphone. The smartphone is wirelessly connected to this gateway and to these devices. So for example, in case of fire in the house, let me drag the fire to the monitor. Oh yeah, nothing is happening. Okay, it is. Okay, so let me say this first. I have my Python code in this microcontroller. This code is the one that will be controlling everything that will be happening in my house. So it's like I've automated the devices in my house. In case of fire, the fire will be turned off using the fire sprinkler automatically without any human intervention. So okay, this is my program. Let me stop it, clear the outputs. Okay, so I have this main function where I have to create all my inputs and outputs that I've used, and I have this loop which will do some actions while the conditions are true. So for example, let's run it and wait to see the serial monitor. So you can see the program is started and the fire alert, it's a fire alerting system. There's no fire detected, there's no motion detected. So let's try to put some motion and some fire and see what will happen. I take my fire, bring it close to the fire monitor. You see the fire sprinkler is on, dispersing some fire. The alarm is on to alert people that there's fire and so that they can run through the door, which is also opened, and the message is displayed on the LCD to alert people that there's fire detected. Let's remove this. So if you watch closely, when I was starting the video, this fan was off. Now it's on because it's controlled by this sensor, the temperature monitor. So when the monitor is greater than 20 degrees Celsius, the fan is turned on, and when it's less than that, it will be automatically off. It will be turned off. So let's see what will happen with the motion sensor when we input some motion. So for the motion, you just place auto and move the mouse. Okay, so the light is on, the camera is on, and a welcome message is on the LCD, and the appliance, the coffee maker, is dispensing some coffee to whosoever is in the house. For the sound sensor, you just bring the speaker close to the sensor, and the camera takes an image, and the LCD displays a strange sound, a strange noise is detected. Yeah, yeah, that's what is happening. So let's remove the noise. We are back in our normal state, our safe mode. So this processor is connected to the gateway and then to the smartphone wirelessly by some configuration. So you have to configure the processor. You go on configure and you go on wireless. Here on the SSID you have to put home gateway. This is the SSID of the home gateway. So you put this so that it can be able to communicate with the home gateway. Okay, let's just confirm if this is indeed the SSID for our home gateway. Go on wireless. There it is, home gateway. So for every device that you want to monitor remotely, and it has to go through the home gateway, it has to share the same SSID with the home gateway of your system. Same here in the smartphone, on config wireless, and you check the SSID, it's the same one of the home gateway. So to access things that are connected to the gateway, you have to put the same SSID for the smartphone, for the gateway, and for the microprocessor. So let's say I want to turn on my window while I'm at work, or maybe I'm away and I'm coming to my home and I want to find my coffee ready. So I can go on the smartphone and then desktop and go to IoT monitor. I should be able to see my devices here on the IoT monitor. Let's just wait for some seconds. Okay, as we are waiting, you see here now the temperature is below 20 and the fan automatically it has turned on. That's the beauty of IoT. You connect things and with less user intervention, everything goes smoothly. So back to our monitor. So these are the devices that are in my home. So I want to make coffee so that when I'm home I find it ready. So I just turn the coffee maker on. Let's see. There you go, it's on. And okay, I'm home and I want to switch it off, or I'm still away, I just turn it off and it's off. I want some fresh air in my room. I turn on the window while I'm at work, and then let's see, is the window open? Yeah, there it's open. And if I want to turn off, I just click here again and the window is off. Yeah, so that's it all about this video. Thank you for being there. Thank you. And if you have any question, any comment, leave it below. I'll be happy to help. Special thanks to Dr. Kaya for the knowledge of smart sensors and actuators, and to Packet Tracer, thank you for this too, and to Bontcam, thank you for making it possible for me to shoot this video. Until next time, bye.